Hello everyone, I am Harsha Chaturvedi. I am a second year MBBS student. So today in this video, we are going to discuss something about physiology. Basically, this video is on how to study physiology, especially Guyton and Ganong. Plus, we have AK Jain in the middle. So let's start. So first point is that we have to get started. If you haven't started studying physiology, then go and study it now, because you have time now and you have your university exams coming up sooner or later. If you have your exams in within 2 or 4 months, then you have to get started. It is the best time if you haven't. And if you have entered into first year, then basically what you have to do is you can start a little later, but it is best if you start at this time. Plus, if you haven't started with first year, then you should be starting with Guyton, studying Guyton, because it is the basic Bible of physiology. So for doing anything, we have to push ourselves in the beginning. So now you will feel that you will have to push yourself into something. So you have to give that whole energy of yours into something. Then gradually you will find it simpler to do. Then second point will be that revise, revise and revise. Whatever you are doing, you have to make synaptic connections that will grow in the hippocampus, and then only your short-term memory will be converted into long-term memory and you will remember things. And you have to revise at least once 2 weeks, because if physiology is not highly volatile, but still you have to make synaptic connections, you have to hence revise. And physiology is totally conceptual, so mugging up won't work as it works in case of anatomy, but it won't work here. Then we have, for example, if you get time despite of doing these things for physiology that you are doing, like conceptual studying about Guyton that I have already mentioned, plus you have to study from Ganong also. Certain topics are given very well, like the CNS part, it is given very well in Ganong, so you have to refer for certain things from Ganong also. It is a very good book. And most of the PG entrance exam MCQs are made keeping Ganong as a central point of reference, not Guyton. Basically, Guyton will make your concepts and Ganong will help you solve MCQs for certain high yield topics. Then basically, for PG entrance, if you get time, you can solve MCQs also, but it is not necessary at this point of time. In first year, it is not necessary that you solve MCQs, but in second year, definitely, if we have next coming up, then second year students, from second year onwards, we have to start practicing MCQs also, because that particular knowledge of cracking MCQs is also required from an early point of time. Then basically, we don't have to take studies as burden. Keep smiling and then studying, and also keep enjoying, keep taking breaks in between, keep coffee breaks or keep milk breaks, keep little breaks in between, giving 25 minutes of study and then 5 minutes of break, or giving 50 minutes of study and then 10 minutes of break, and then you will keep enjoying studying also, and you will not take it as burden. Plus you can watch some Netflix, etc. whenever you get time, but you can keep that as a reward, that when you have completed a certain target, then you will get that reward. And solve previous year papers for university and pre-university exams. That is absolutely smart work. You have to do that for getting great that bag of marks that everyone wants in the college. Please like the video and keep sharing, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description.